Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a flowchart to find factors of a number. Do you remember the factor tree we have done in class 3 and 4? Yes, these are the same factors. A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. To find the factors of a number, we have to consider a few things. The first one is the number. In this case, I'm going to take n. A counter variable which will keep check that we have to consider only the numbers from 1 till that number, and a mod operator. Each time when we will apply the mod operator I by n, it will find out the factors for us. Each time when n is divided by I, it means that if the mod operator will give us 0 result, then it will print it. If it's not, then each time we will increment in I by 1 and repeat the processes again. Let's begin our flowchart with a start symbol. The first thing we need is the number n as input, and then we will initialize our counter variable with 1. We have to check if I is less than equal to n. On the yes side, we will check if n mod I is equals to 0 to find out the first factor. If it is, then we will print it. And on the no side, after printing I and on the no side, we will go to increment I by 1. And we will repeat these two steps again and again until the value of I will be greater than n. In that case, we have to stop our flowchart by using the stop symbol. Let's have the factor story more clearly by using the trace table. I'm going to take n is equals to 6, means that I have to find out the factors of 6. The first row is, all the headings are the processes I have used in the flowchart. For I is equals to 1, I will check if I is less than equal to n, and n mod I is equals to 0. On the yes side, it will be printed, and then I will increment I. For value of I is 2, again it is in the limit and it gives us a 0 remainder. I will again print I, and then increment I by 1. In the third row again, I'm going to start with the value of I is equals to 3, check the limit, apply mod operator and print it if it gives us a 0 result, and then increment I. In the fourth step 2, here we cannot print I because we didn't get the 0 remainder. Increment I again apply the value of I is equals to 5. Again check, in this case 2 I is not printed because we haven't get 0 remainder. Again I will increment I and then start with the value of I is equals to 6. In this case I will be printed. And when we reach more than the last limit, 6 plus 1 is 7. When I'm going to start with the 7, it will quit my flowchart and gives us the result. You can see from the column print I got all the factors 1, 2, 3 and 6 of the number n, which is 6 in my case. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Till the next one, take care and Allah Hafiz.